Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Aish, and in this video I'm just going to be discussing how long it takes for a piercing to close up. I often find that people take out their body piercings, like their cartilage piercings or their belly piercings, for long periods of time, kind of like they would with their low piercings that they probably had since they were children, and then they're very shocked on how fast that the holes shrink and eventually close. On the other hand, I also get loads of questions from people who need to have things like MRI scans and are wondering whether their piercings will close during the time they're out for the scan. So basically, I thought I'd make a video on how long it takes a piercing to close. And the answer is that I can't tell you because it depends on so many factors, but I can give you some information that will kind of help you guide your own choices in terms of taking your piercings out and leaving them out and things like that. When you take your piercing out, the hole generally starts to shrink, making it harder and harder for you to get your original jewellery back in. At this stage, they can usually be tapered back, like by a piercer, to their original size. Alternatively, you can wear some thinner jewellery in the meantime until you can get to a piercer to have them tapered back. But if you don't put anything in it, it's likely that eventually it will close. However, the speed at which your piercing hole shrinks depends on a lot of factors such as how long you've had the piercing, where your piercing is, and like your body's own healing process. Because this time can vary widely, I generally don't suggest leaving piercings that you've had less than a year out for more than an hour or two, because even then it can start to get difficult to put the jewellery back in. So I wouldn't recommend it unless you really need to do it, like for an MRI scan or something like that. Personally, I don't take my piercings out unless I absolutely have to, or I'm cleaning or changing the jewellery. Like, I sleep with my piercings in. Like, personally, I've never understood people who didn't sleep with their piercings in. I just, like, they took their earrings out when they went to sleep. It just seemed like more things to do in the morning. It's never really bothered me. I wear jewellery that's comfortable to sleep in and kind of do everything in. So yeah, I really don't remove my jewellery that much. And like, even when I do, like when I'm changing my jewellery or I'm cleaning my jewellery or things like that, I don't do them all at the same time. Like, I might have a day where I, change all my ear jewellery, or I might have a day where I decide to change my belly bar. Like, I'm not going to do it all on the same day because, to be honest, that's just long and tedious and annoying, and it will just feel like work. You also need to keep in mind that things like nipple and oral piercings tend to close at a much faster rate, so to be on the safe side, I wouldn't take those out unless you're cleaning or changing your jewellery or it's absolutely necessary. But yeah, that is basically all the generic information I can give you on this topic, so I will kind of try and answer any questions below, but at the same time, I mean, I don't know you, I don't know your body, so if you're asking me how long your blah 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 will take to heal up, like I can't really tell you. I can just kind of guess, and then if I'm wrong, you're going to blame me. So, everyone's different, so please bear that in mind when you are asking questions. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Just so you know, I've got loads of new stock over on wholeheartedlondon.com. This new high quality range not only looks stunning, but it's highly polished, internally threaded, implant grade titanium, so it's great for your piercings too.